Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace alternator on a Dodge Charger, Magnum or Chrysler 300, the 3.5 engine guys. Other ones might be closed procedure as well. Stay with us, we're gonna show you now what's wrong with that thing, how it's not charging, to make sure it's the alternator, and we're going to go proceed with removing the alternator in a minute. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start it now. And when we started, you're going to notice, okay, let me turn light off. Okay, battery light. That means the alternator is not charging. You can see right there, battery light. So we're going to actually check it with voltmeter and see if it's charging now. Let's go outside. It's a big mess guys, we replaced the whole engine. Okay, let's check now, we should have 14 volts. Let's see what we have here. And we have 11.7, which is not enough at all. So we definitely need to replace the alternator. So first thing what we need to do, we need to disconnect the battery before we proceed, because we will be removing the positive wire on the alternator. And if you touch it somewhere, you're going to have sparks everywhere. And maybe even burn the computer, so gotta be careful with that stuff. Okay guys, we need 15mm wrench now, and we need to remove, let me come on this side so we can show you better, one bolt. Okay, this bolt right there, you can see we will need to remove the belt as well. So stay with us, we're going to show you how to remove the serpentine belt. We have a video on our channel guys how to install it, and the belt diagram as well, check it out. Please subscribe guys, help us grow that channel together, be part of it, so we can help more people that way. Okay, so we got the bolt loose guys, all the way now, and it's gonna come out if you leave the cables there. Super limited room, so I'm trying to do my best to show you here. And we dropped it on the bottom, but that's fine because we'll be laying under the car anyways, because we will need to remove a couple bolts on the bottom as well. We grabbed it, okay, that's what it looks like, pretty long bolt you can see, but only about that much actually screws in. Okay guys, so right there now with the 3/8 extension, we're going to go ahead and get the belt loose now. We'll show you how to do it in a second. Okay, you can see that's where we go, that squarey thing on the bottom. And it's pretty tight, you need to go clockwise to do that, and you release the pressure off of it. We have a video with the engine out how to do it guys, so you can see pretty good, okay? And you can see we already released the pressure, so we can take the belt off. Okay, it's out of there now. And we need to pull the ratchet. Next guys, we need to jack the passenger side of the vehicle up. Okay, like that. And you need to use a jack stand, never just leave the jack and lay under the car, because if something goes wrong, the jack is not very reliable. Okay, put a jack stand, safety first. Now we're gonna go under the car right there, and we need to remove the plastic cover for the engine. It has 4 bolts with 10mm socket there. Okay, just one more. Next, from the bottom, we're going to reach the cables for the alternator. The bottom one is with a 13mm wrench. You can take that out off. That's a positive charging cable. It's pretty thick. Once we disconnect them, guys, we're gonna show you, because it's very limited room here. And I'm going to go and remove the cable for the computer here. Okay, that's the one. That's the one that tells you how much it's charging and all that stuff. You just press down, okay, on this one here, and you pull it out. And the only thing left, okay, we remove the charging cable as well. Okay, it's right here. That's the one. So we have those out of there now. So that's the one that holds it with the nut right here. Okay, let me focus, because we have quite a few things here. Alright guys, now on the bottom there is 2 more bolts right here. We'll try our best to show you where those are, but if you can't see good in the video, we will show you once we remove the alternator again. You can see where they are right there. Super limited room. We're going to use the big breakover bar so we can get those things loose. Okay, once we remove them, we'll show you what else you need to do. So the alternator is facing that way on the car. You can see that's the bolt on top, right here, and the other 2 on the bottom. So we can go ahead, take those off, and we'll be almost ready to pull it out. We have a replacement one here out of a parts car. Okay guys, we got everything loose. We removed the 2 bolts on the bottom. And now you just pull it out from the bottom. Okay, got the camera caught on something. And you can see, guys, that's what it looks like here now. That's the alternator. Looks pretty much almost identical to this one with some... Yeah, almost identical, no differences. So that's how you guys remove it. So we'll show you now how to install it and stuff. Stay with us. Okay guys, so we can start from the bottom now to get it in. You don't need to remove that metal piece right here, but if it's too tight, you can get it loose. It's only 1 bolt on the other side, but we usually remove and replace the alternators without removing that piece here. Okay, one person is getting it in now from the bottom, and it's heavy and inconvenient. Okay, right there. So you need to install the bolts on the bottom now. Okay guys, make sure that you get all the bolts in before we get them tight. All 3 of them, 2 on the bottom, 1 on top. That way, because if you get one tight enough, you might not be able to install the other 2. So make sure you get all of them started and then get them tight. Okay guys, so we got all the bolts tight now, all 3 bolts. Now we're going to feed the cables through here and get them to the alternator. It's easier to install the one with the nut on the bottom. And remember, it's important to disconnect the battery when you do that. Okay, we got it there now. That's where it goes, and we need to get it tight with a 13mm nut. And after that, we just need to install the little cable on top. Okay, right here, and this one is just you push it until it locks. Okay, like that. Alright guys, so we installed the belt, we installed the wires, we hooked up the battery, so let's go ahead and start it now. Again, if you need the belt video, it's on our channel guys, so you can see in detail when the engine is out of the vehicle, so you know what to do. Okay, the moment of the truth guys, let's see, hopefully it works and it's not anything else. Okay, and as you can see, the alternator light, battery light is not there. So let's go outside and check the voltage with the voltmeter. Okay, we have 14.8. which is great. So that fixed our problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and subscribe so we can be part of it, and let's grow that channel together. Here's the production team again. This time they expected it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.